Hey kitty cats, welcome back to another video, and I'm here with
Mum.
we were just playing on Animal Jam for a bit, and this is an outfit that she made. She thinks that it looks good. No, it doesn't. It doesn't look good.
It looks great. It looks better than any of your other little friends that I've seen so far.
What about her? Look at that, that's so cute.
That one looks really dressed up. That one, it's cute, but why hasn't it got anything on?
It's got things on. Do you see those boots?
Is that it?
Yeah.
It's running around just with boots on.
Like, what about this outfit? I love this outfit.
Not as good as the one I made.
Oh my god, you want
My one's cute.
you want to see one of my cute outfits? Here we go. Doing a fashion show. That's cute.
It's not bad. Not
It's better than your one.
bad. I doubt it.
This is probably my fanciest outfit. It's legit an Egyptian person.
Looks like a boy.
'Cause it is a boy.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna go out, and instead of trading like I planned, I want to find a fashion show. So people host fashion shows.
Yeah.
Actually, you know what? Let's host a fashion show. So how this works is that we'll go into a popular area, right?
Yeah.
So, main known for popular areas is Alden.
Mhm.
It's a server. And then go in. Hopefully we spawn in Jamal Township. Okay, still loading. Okay, yep, we got a good server. There's a line of other party hats.
It's a party going on.
No, there's no party. This is just a town. It's just logic. Okay.
Is it Halloween themed?
Yeah, fashion show my den. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. It's a fashion show, so people are gonna come, right?
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna give them a theme, and yeah, and then you vote people who, so you vote the people out that didn't do good. Okay, there's just a line of orange, purple, and red. Oh, someone's at our den. Oh God, why did I
Where is it?
go? Why did I go? No, go, turn back. No, this is really bad, Oh my God, okay. Get out of Alden, that's just where all the rare people hang out. Let's go to Rocky. I got a good feeling. Oh yes, perfect. Okay, we're gonna go fashion, oh my God, no, fashion show my den. Okay, let's see. The people and servers. Oh, never mind. Look at this. This person is very rare, Mom. Do you see
Why?
that? Because first off, they have a party hat on, which party hats are worth like 3 black ones. And then they have candy cane socks, which are worth like 4. And then they have a black long. That's 5 black longs. And then they have a skunk
Who's
tail.
this?
Why? That was cute. I like that outfit. I'm gonna copy it.
Copy it. Come up with your own. This
I-
guy having a dance.
That's me!
Oh, is it?
Yes! And
Is it really?
yeah, look at all these fans coming in. You see all my fans coming in?
Is that your fans?
Yeah, I told them that,
Is that really you, the one? How come you're the only
Yes.
one dancing?
because nobody has energy like me.
But this one's yawning like it's having a nap. This little duck thing in the corner.
That's a kangaroo.
Ugh.
So, okay. The instant no, someone left, no! Oh yes, they came back. Okay, let's go in. Oh, let's see what's going on here. Oh yeah. Okay, my friend probably say to it's fashion show now. Okay, hi. So, okay, Mum, the fashion show's starting. Your first theme, what should our first theme be?
Halloween.
Halloween. Okay, you're gonna decide who wins. I'm gonna say dance when done. Do you like my den?
Yeah. How many people are in there?
6. Okay, one of the people are done, Mom.
Yeah, tell me when they're all done. And I'll have to decide who looks the best. Do they get a prize or something for looking the best?
Wait, okay, so you've got to choose who looks the worst, actually.
Worst.
And then I've got to get them out.
Not very nice.
That's how it works.
Is that Odin or Opal on the chair?
That's Odin. Okay, so some people are already done. You see this girl though? The girl that's sitting down?
Yeah.
She's not playing.
Why not?
She's my friend. She just doesn't want to play. She's here to watch.
Why isn't she being a team player?
No, she never joined in from the start. She's my friend. Okay, so some people are done. I like this person, this new Gemma person. They look goth. Look really good. Okay, so everyone's done and my mum's now gonna vote.
So I'm looking for the best or the worst?
The worst. So we can get
They all look pretty good. Look at this one.
she's not playing.
Oh.
These two are not playing.
I think they all look good though. I can't really. I like that one. I like that one. I like that one. Okay, that one.
The non-member?
Yeah.
The one that doesn't have a shining tag?
This one.
The rabbit. Okay. I feel really bad, but
I just don't think you should kick anyone out. Why don't you just let them all try again?
I
Why
don't
does-
know. That's just no.
It's just a bit mean. Don't you think it's a bit mean?
They don't really care. They're happy.
Oh, because they think they won.
People are saying GG. Next theme?
Next thing, let's pick something. Christmas.
Christmas is the next theme. Okay, I'm gonna pause, and when everyone's done, we'll be back to you. Okay, everybody is now ready, and this person decided to dress up, but they're not in the round.
Okay, let's have a look.
And this last person is playing as well. Oh, yeah, everyone dancing.
They all look really good. Probably this one. Or are they not in it?
That's me.
Oh, okay. I picked yours the worst. That one looks good. That one looks good. It's either got to be. Okay, that one. Yeah, that one's made the least effort.
Really? It's dressed up okay?
Well, the others, I'm so sorry. I think everyone's a winner.
No, you don't. Pajama, you're out.
Don't you feel bad for kicking them out?
No, not really, because it's the game.
Do you want to play this
Now
game
they're freaking out. Now they're freaking out. They're like, me!
I'm sorry. I feel bad now. Okay, next
What
thing.
about her?
Who? Who? This one here? I didn't think that was part of it. This little duck thing.
No.
What? Who?
This person, this non-member that I
don't know the difference between a member and a non-member. I'm just
No.
picking the outfit that...
yeah. now they're angry.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. Let them have another turn.
No. Too bad, so sad. Next round. Okay, so the next theme we picked was prom.
And so it's just these three?
Yep. Not those two, just these three.
It's just a hard one. Okay.
Her? Really? She's got nice gloves on,
Yeah, but
flower crown.
I like them all. They all look really good. Who would you pick? Look at her. She's throwing out the dance moves.
Yeah.
She's really getting into it. Yeah, that's the one I said.
This one.
Yeah.
You said this one.
No, I meant that one. Although, I like the horns.
Do prom people wear horns?
They could. People can wear whatever they want.
Yeah, we're just gonna vote her out. Okay, guys, this is the final round, and I decided to do a theme on.
So this is you?
Oh, wait. This person might win. Think about it. Okay, look at my back item. Do you see that? They have that back item, but it's lighter, but this person doesn't have that back item on.
They look really similar.
There's just something. Like, they're wearing
So
this.
this one for the win?
Yeah, they have more identical items.
Okay, so who's this?
Cool. So we're gonna.
Cool KAJ. Congratulations!
Cool K AJ wins.
Did she get anything?
Yes.
What do you want to give her?
Oh, look, got some gifts that we can open. Oh, what? You're trying to make. Come.
Izzy's trying to make life hard.
Okay. So she's got something on trade. She has something on trade that I wouldn't be able to. Yeah, no. So we're gonna open these gifts. Put bad on trade. Okay, they put bad on their trade list. So what? Oh wait, they're switching animals, so I can't trade them right now.
What are you trading?
A rare.
I thought you were giving him a gift for winning.
I am. They can't trade right now. I don't know why. I'll just gift it to them. Give me a minute. Okay, guys, we are going to quickly open these gifts. So the first gift is a little.
Oh,
it's
that's
a
nice.
flower,
I
it's a
like
flower,
it.
it's a
Lily of the
flower.
Valley. That's
Yeah.
nice. Put it in your house.
And that, I don't know what that is, but
Nice.
holiday streamers.
Keep that for Christmas.
I want a muffin, hot cocoa machine,
Wow, people are quite generous, aren't
and
they?
a mini gift time, so some Camelot